In this tutorial, you will learn how to use WOZTELL's Quick Flows extension. On the platform, go to Marketplace and install Quick Flows. Your extension is now installed and ready to use. We will use this simple customer service chatbot to show how it works. We'll create a command that allows quick access to this node. To do this, go to Quick Flows in the Installed Extensions section and click on Add Command. In Title, enter a relevant name to use internally to easily identify your command. In Tree ID, select your chatbot. In Node Composite ID, choose the node you want to redirect to. The Parameters field is optional, fill it in only if the message contains dynamic variables. Click on Save, and our command is ready. Let's test it. In Inbox, select a conversation to automate. Click on the lightning bolt symbol and choose Quick Flows. Select the command and send it. In this way, the conversation has been redirected to the chatbot node we selected previously. That's it. You can find more information in our knowledge base. See you next time.